Nnọọ na Igbo 360, aha m bụ Edith Nwogu. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. So in my last video, I taught you about this word Aba. I told you that it has two meanings. We're going to look at the two meanings actually. Number one, Aba is a city, the capital of Abia State. That was what you learned in the previous video. In this video, we are learning Aba as a lying position. So this word also means it's a lying position. When you lie on your back, you are lying Aba. So let's look at sentence examples. Number one, Achom idina Aba. Achom idina Aba. Number two, Achom idina Aba means I want to lie on my back. Number two, Ike na-edina Aba. Ike lies on his back. Ike na-edina Aba. Number three, Biko dina Aba. Please lie on your back. Biko dina Aba. Number four, Odina Aba. Odina Aba. He or she is lying on his or her back. So look at questions and responses. Icho idina Aba. Do you want to lie on your back? Achom. Yes, I want. Onedina Aba. Does he or she lie on his or her back? Oge niile. Yes, every time. Hagedina Aba. Will they lie on their backs? Ha kwesịrị. Yes, they are supposed to. Ka emesịa.